Hi everyone, welcome back and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shanika and we're going to get right into this video. I just wanted to share this little clip with you guys, just kind of showing you how much my hair has grown since I big chopped back in April of 2020. If you're interested in that full video and the story behind it, I'll link the video up here for you so that you can watch that, and I'll also link it in the description box. I've been using this treatment in my hair for like the last 6 months on and off, and this isn't the most recent recording. I think I recorded this maybe a month and a half ago, but this has really been helping my hair to be strong and healthy. But I just kind of wanted to share this so you can be a part of the journey, and I'm also looking to drop this hair treatment on my website soon, hopefully by July of 2022. So make sure you stay tuned on my TikTok and Instagram. I will be using Shine and Jam and Eco Styler Gel for this style. I will be using the Jamaican Twist spray and the colors 33 and 2, just an even blend. My hair was already washed, conditioned, and moisturized. So for the base of my hair only on the base, I'm using the Shine and Jam. So you want to start by splitting the hair in 2 pieces, and I'm going to show you this over and over, okay? And I'll explain it. You want to have one side go clockwise and the other side go counterclockwise. And while you're twisting your hair in those directions, you want to use your index finger on both sides as you're twisting to hold the hair in place. Okay, so it's really just your index finger and your middle finger that's doing all of the work initially. And then once you feel like it's in there secured, then you can go ahead and follow through with the twisting. As you're twisting, you want to make sure you're like twisting the hair in the direction as well, if that makes sense. Now, to keep this as a seamless look, you want to make sure you're tucking the ends of your hair as it gets close. So what I do is I just like tuck it in the center of each side. And then I just add a little bit of Eco Styler Gel there to kind of keep it neat. And this method is just going to give you that invisible look, like it's coming directly from the root. So this is why I love doing it this way, because it looks so natural. And that's the whole, point when I do these Marley twists. I want them to look natural. So again, you want to split the hair into 2 pieces evenly, and then use that index finger to lock the hair in place while you're turning your hair clockwise and counterclockwise. That way it is staying secure to the scalp. Please don't twist in the directions until it is too tight. That's not the point of the style. What you want to do is just twist it until it feels secured so that you can begin twisting down. I personally prefer this method over the rubber band method and the knot method because I believe it's less tension on your hair, and I don't want to put a whole lot of tension on my hair, so I prefer doing the invisible look. The biggest mistake I see with this style that people tend to do is that as soon as they split the hair into 2, they try to begin twisting the hair down. And what happens is it's not secure. So the twist itself begins to slide down and not have like a secured feeling into your hair. So I typically just twist each side about 3 times, 3 full twists, and then I begin twisting down just to kind of give you an idea. So I don't usually go more than 3 times. Sometimes it's 2. It just kind of depends on once it feels secured for me. So if this is your first time on my YouTube page, I just kind of wanted to let you know, or kind of tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a holistic esthetician, so I've been licensed for 5 years, and I have my own skincare and hair care brand. And I launched my brand Metanoia Melanin back in February of 21. So February 21st, 2021. And by the grace of God, it has been doing really well. I also work a full-time job, so I'm not 100% in the way that I want to be. But for what I can do with the time that I have, it has been doing extremely well. So if you've, purchased any of my products, shared any of my posts, left reviews on the products, which is huge. I really need those reviews because it helps, future customers know what they may experience with my products. I truly appreciate all of you, and I just appreciate you being here on this journey with me. Your prayers, just your support, your encouragement. Thank you so much. Since I did my big chop in April of 2020, I only use my hair products on my hair. So I have my herbal whipped hair butter that's infused with herbs, and then I also have an herbal scalp infusion that's specifically for the scalp, and it's infused with 8 different herbs. And I also have an herbal hair rinse that I like to use. And again, I have plenty of videos on my Instagram page, my TikTok page, showing you guys how I make it, explaining the products. And then on my website, you'll see a very detailed description on what each product does for your hair and your skin. And what you see me doing here is spraying my herbal hair rinse into my hair. I like to spray it in there whenever I have some left over from doing a hair wash or a treatment to my hair. So I'm just spraying that. You know, my hair is kind of dry in the back now, so I'm just kind of adding some moisture to it before I begin twisting in the back. And if you see where my hair was in 2020 till now, it has really grown. Like, I cut it so short in the back that I was barely even able to grip it for finger coils. So it's doing really well. I actually have a bundle deal. If you do the hair butter, the herbal scalp infusion, and your choice of the herbal hair rinse that you want, I have a bundle deal going on so that you can get a discount when you buy all three together. So when I'm parting the back, which is obviously not easy, right? I try to use my finger as a guide from the other side to kind of know where I need to start that part. Just use my mirror, do the best that I can, and go back in and make any small changes. But again, it's not going to be 100% perfect. I just do the best that I can. And as you can see, like, my hair, obviously in the back, you know, shrinkage is a lie, but as you can see, my hair is passing my collarbone in the back, so it's doing good. I will be sharing more videos on like my hair length checks and just kind of showing you guys how I care for my hair. Again, once I release that hair treatment, you know, I will be showing you how I apply it in my hair, talk about the benefits of each ingredient. I'm very transparent about the ingredients that I use. The only thing that I don't share, which no one should share, is the formulations. So you will not find on my website where I'm hiding any ingredients or anything like that, because you need to know what is in your products before you use it on your hair and your skin. So I list all my ingredients. I give detailed description of why I use those ingredients and the benefits of each. So I definitely want you to check out my social media, subscribe here if you are, you know, interested in being on this journey with me. And hopefully you will give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. You know, go ahead and hit that like button just to kind of help me out with continuing to grow here. I'm just using the Shine and Jam mousse from the same line. And as you can see, I'm putting a significant amount on the top of my head, and I'm just going to rub it down into my twist and making sure that I'm getting it on my the base of my head, like my parts and everything. And this is just going to give you that smooth, you know, limit the frizz and all of that, just to kind of finish it off real nice. And because I'm not in a rush, I'm not going to be sitting under the dryer. I'm just going to, you know, sleep with it overnight. So just putting on my satin scarves and everything, and making sure it is tied down, and so that it can set well. So here is the final look of these Marley Twists. Of course, I absolutely adore them. It is my go-to protective style, and it is super lightweight. It does not stress the hair follicles, which is why I love this style. I tend to do different styles with it. You will see on my social media, I had a wedding to go to, and I was a bridesmaid, so I did a cute little style. So you can see that on my Instagram page. But yeah, this is it. You know, nice and neat. This will last me for at least a month and a half, maybe 2. It just kind of depends, you know, if I'm working out and things like that. Then that changes the length of time that I keep them in my hair. But you know, I will oil my hair every other day with my herbal scalp infusion and massage it in, and that keeps my hair nice and healthy and that's pretty much it, y'all. No stress on the hair. I don't style it too much because I don't like to pull and tug on the hair, but I do have that option. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you would give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, and I look forward to you being on this journey with me. Be well, stay safe, and as always, make sure you are taking care of you first, because if you don't, then you are good for no one. All right, bye guys, see you in the next video.